Those of us who have names that are difficult to pronounce or often get mangled know how important it is to be sure that people have a chance to know how to say your name properly, because it removes a whole lot of awkwardness, and also it's just nice to be named in the way that you want to be. LinkedIn has a solution for this, but even if you have a really easy name, you can still take advantage of this feature to create a great impression and make a strong connection with people the moment they step onto your LinkedIn profile. This is the LinkedIn voice greeting, and it was first used simply to help people pronounce your name. But the truth is, there are 10 seconds of pure potential available to you. So whether you have the most ordinary name in the world, or if it's really tricky to pronounce, like mine, then you can make use of this. Simply go to your LinkedIn mobile app. This is only available on the app. And when you click the pencil to edit your profile, you will come down to the voice greeting, and there you have an opportunity to record a 10-second voice greeting. 10 seconds is a very short time, so plan it well. Fortunately, you can listen to this and you can re-record as many times as you like. But a little bit of planning will make this process a lot easier. The first important thing to know is that you want good sound. And most smartphones nowadays give remarkably good sound, but the environment in which you record can really cause problems. So it would be wise to do this first. Find an area that is reasonably enclosed, reasonably silent, and very well filled with things that absorb sound. That is soft stuff. Cushions, blankets, soft furniture, etc. Now, the very best way to do this, if no place like that comes to mind in your environment, it's time to get in the closet. Yes, your closet is an outstanding space for recording. It will give you a wonderful area where you can have some silence, but also have sound absorption so that your smartphone's microphone can do a great job. You also want to plan out your message. And since you only have 10 seconds, you'll probably want to say, "Hello, I am," and say your name correctly. And then you want to say what you do and invite your visitor to do something. You can really use this in the way that works best for you. Unless there is some reason why thousands of people are flocking to your profile, you could even simply invite people to a video call or to set up an appointment with you. And they can do that through LinkedIn Messages. So everything is right there under one roof. So what's going to be in your voice greeting? As always, go and play with this, have fun, and when you're done, come and share your results in the comments, sharing your LinkedIn profile, and maybe tell us what process you followed, what you have in mind, and if you're getting results, that would be amazing to hear from you. Game on! Are you ready to take up the challenge? See you in the comments.